Well, I finally got all my building components, so I got it from supplyhouse.com.
Welcome back to What's Next Garage. Today, we're gonna finish up the stationary tub plumbing. Stick around, here we go.
So we have a 3/4 cross, a 3/4 T, 3/4 PEX, it's a, well, it would be considered a street, I guess, and a 3/4 plug. I'll tell you what, this Sioux Chief, this is from a big box store. Definitely, oh yeah, see that's a 3/4. Definitely is huskier than this. Oh my goodness. This is huge. This is not so huge. So incoming water, then cold water is gonna go this way. So incoming, this will be a continuation on to the bathroom, and it'll supply all the cold water to the bathroom. This one will be cold water supply to the main system for the heated water. And then this one is gonna be for, and this is gonna be a surprise, my wife wants a spigot outside the door. So this one is gonna go in here. I'll have to get a bushing. I think I have bushings laying around. And then this will go outside, so we'll have to drill a hole through the concrete block. All right, that's what we're gonna do. And this will be for any futures. If I wanna do, I don't know, maybe put a bubbler in or something. All right, let's get this thing plumbed in. Okay, let's get that done. Can't dance to at the plow. No bones and ice cream. I'm just wasting time now. Oh, wow, who tightened that on there? I bet you Gary tightened that up. Oh, that was tight. Oh man, Gary. When anything's too tight, we just blame Gary. All right, I keep banging it against the wall. All right, I'm gonna try and rotate this and bring this back. If I have to loosen that, we'll see. That's not really good plumbing practices. I'm gonna have to go turn the water on downstairs too, because I think the water's off. So if the water's off, we're gonna replumb that. Let's see. I think the water's on. I gotta go make sure it's on, or maybe I can go for another turn. There's a lot of variables here. Or maybe I could turn that to the backside. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. All right, that's tight, but that's gonna sit just like that. Okay. Whew. All right, let's get some pipe stuff on here. Wrap this baby up a little bit. That's pretty good, 90 degrees with that. I am so disappointed that I didn't go and get another one of these. These really, really are a pretty husky fitting. Well, you can see, it's all machined out of that, and this is cast. No, whatever, this is a way more superior fitting than this. Cast versus machined. But I think this was like $7 and this is like $2. So, you get what you pay for. And you keep these first couple threads clean. That way you don't get any, you'll never have any contamination from this into here. That'll be good. What the hell? Okay. Look at that, it's so close. But I'm gonna have to cut it down so we can have about the same, which is kind of lousy, but it'll be okay. I wonder if it would be valuable to put a valve here. I guess it wouldn't matter because if you're shutting water off to the systems, you're shutting it off here. Each device will have one of these. Plus the manifold will have shut-off valves on each, so I don't think we need to have, maybe for this side, so we can shut that off. So I think I'll put a ball valve here. And I have this old one here, so I just need to cut these copper, these are the copper clamp rings. Wiggling back and forth seems to work better. They really bite good. Oops. Oh, there we go. This back plug obviously is just temporary. There we go. So now I need to go over there by the bathroom, and I need to put a plug in this line so that I can turn on water and I can supply the stationary tub that I just put the stand on. So let's go take a look at that over there. I only have 1 3/4 clamp ring left, so I'm gonna probably just use it here. I don't have any 3/4 plugs, but I did buy these and they all have shutoff valves. This will have water to here. Each of these valves will have water, but we'll leave them off. So we're gonna do this, so this could come down nice and straight. So we gotta figure out where we want to cut this guy. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs and turn the water on. Bring water right to that fitting. Okay, I have water to here. Now once I open this, water is gonna come around, go this way. It's gonna come up and it's gonna go to this valve. So let's see if we can hear the water. Oh, I got a leak up here on them cheap China fittings. God darn it. Okay, I gotta tighten that up some more.
That's crazy. That's what you'd get when you don't get good stuff. You know, I really didn't reef it down either because I didn't put a pipe wrench on it. No, I don't like that at all. It's still bubbling there. That is junk. Absolutely junk. Yeah, that's junk. All right, I gotta see if I can find a different plug. It's probably gonna end up being the fitting. Hey Noodle, I'm using your sock trick. There's really no sense to worry about it. It's not like it's gonna be acid coming out of there. Just some water. I did find another plug. Let's jam this thing in there. I'm gonna really put a lot of tape on this one. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, it was the plug. I'm hoping that this stuff stops soon, taking water. Okay, that's open. The plug was junk. Well, I'll send that back to him for sure. Okay, let's go over and check. Make sure we're not leaking over on that other side. Okay, so I'm gonna bet we have water here. Yep. Hear that? That's water there. They're very touchy valves. Okay, we got water there. Now we gotta make sure that this valve is closed, and it is closed. Now we can send water to the boiler. So now we got water going to the inlet of the boiler. So let's go over there to make sure nothing leaks. So now we're getting water into the boiler here. And then we're getting water coming up, going over to that sink, and coming up and going into the boiler. So right now it's doing something in the boiler. I don't know if it's gonna send water out the hot water line. I think we're getting water leaking over here. Yep. Okay, so it's sending water through that hot water line. So I gotta do something with that. I need to get that on there with a 3/4 clamp. I gotta get something on there. I also had to put this shut-off valve on here because there's water coming out of it. Jeepers Christmas. So let's turn this on again. Water's flowing. This must be pressurizing. Okay, no leaks on those fittings. No leaks back there yet. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing here. I think I heard something burbling. Nothing back here. Okay, we're open all the way. Now, let's make sure that our is off. Now we're gonna go here. Oh, I gotta tighten that. Forgot to tighten that. That's just a compression fitting. Okay, let's try some more. Okay, that's open. Oh, I hear water dribbling. Let's see if they loosen this up. Oh yeah, that's kind of loose. Okay, now let's see. Now I'm gonna turn the valve on again. And no leak. Nothing. Now let's try this. Hey, whoa. Look at that. Now we have water in the shed. Beautiful. Now I have to figure out what I can attach to here to put it to the drain. Okay, we're gonna get the domestic hot water going, so we're gonna power up the unit. And then I think this one, we're gonna turn the domestic hot water up to, well, 120 is the top. So go to 115. And I'm gonna have to figure out how to make it work. Turn on the gas. I better do some instruction reading. So I'll just have to read through the instructions. Okay, well, the boiler started up all on its own. I just had to be patient. And now we're just gonna go over and plumb in the hot water to the faucet. So we just gotta make that connection there. I'll have to shut the water off because, well, oh no, I don't have to. I can, so hot water. Use this fitting. Okay, now I can open this. Okay, got the hot water plumbed. So now I can open this valve, which feeds that hot water heater. There we go. We'll go over here and we'll turn our hot water heater back on. Oh, okay. Turning this valve on. Okay, so that's water to the top. And now, no leaks. Let's get the air out of there. Oh, that's rugged looking. Oh, water's coming out slow. Someone must be running water. Let's see if we're warm. Oh, hot water. Oh my gosh. But now it gets cold, and then it'll come up hot again once the burn. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Bless you. That's it, hot water. I have to get this, I have to get a fitting for there and get this fixed. I was just at my big box hardware store today and forgot. And you can see we got no leaks there or there. And no leaks there. Everything's good. Hot water, check. That's gonna do it for this episode of What's Next Garage. Water in the shed, Super Plumber Edition. Next one will be getting the hot water set up and plumbing in the bathroom. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.